Artificial intelligence is an engine, a very, very powerful engine, able to go faster than anything we've ever built. But an engine, a powerful engine like this, needs a steering wheel, a steering system, something to point all that power in a chosen direction. This engine runs on power, electricity. The steering wheel runs on maturity and wisdom. We already have scales for power and intelligence. Elon Musk recently, during their IPO, one of the interviews referred to Nikolai Kardashev, who gave us a scale. He speaks of type 1 to type 3. Type 1 societies would be those harnessing the power from their planet. Type 2 would be from their star or stars, the sun, and type 3 would be their galaxy. And on that scale, we are toddlers, our planet. We haven't even reached type 1 yet. Just think of that now. Imagine the intelligence if we could unlock more power from our planet, or as they say, from the sun, just a fraction from the sun, would result in more intelligence than we can imagine. But here's what stops me, and it should stop you too. We have no scale to measure maturity and wisdom. We never have. So ask yourself, at what level of maturity and wisdom are you currently? How mature and wise are your driving skills to be able to drive this incredible power, this engine that we've built and that we are building? At what level are we as an organization, our maturity and wisdom levels, or as a society? How well can we actually steer this engine? We have to steer this engine. In many ways, the creators of this engine want artificial intelligence to also steer the engine. But that is our job as leaders, as human beings. Now, what we measure, we tend to improve. You measure your goals, your production figures, your sales numbers, and so on. And we have never measured maturity and wisdom, as far as we know. What's interesting about wisdom, unlike power and intelligence, for example, for which we have scales, is you don't harness it from out there. You don't draw it from some source externally, like the sun. Wisdom and maturity is inside of us, all of us. I grappled with this one because I thought, no, hold on, it can't just be inside of me. I need experiences from which I learn wisdom. But what's very interesting is that we all have experiences, innumerable experiences. And these are just, or have been waiting to be learned from, but we don't consciously learn from them. We all have it. We have this bank of experience and things that have happened to us. We have just never been taught how to draw wisdom from those experiences. We have not been taught to do this consciously, daily. So we end up relearning the same things over and over. When we say maturity, we say maturity in what? And again, we all have this in us. It's maturity in the human capabilities that belong to us, that AI should never take from us. We call them human powers because they give us power. Agency, accountability, moral judgment, commitment, relationship, faith, hope, heart, that's love, purpose. These are in us. Before we even know the names, we apply them. A young baby, a young child would make decisions, agency. Before they know the word agency, they will feel accountable, responsible about something before they know the word accountable. They have a relationship with their mother, then their father and their siblings and their friends as they extend their circle before they even know the word relationship. And so we can go on. We all have this maturity element and wisdom inside of us. It just needs to be consciously drawn out. What we need to do now is scale maturity and wisdom like never before in the history of the world. In exactly the same way that we are scaling intelligence through power, we need to scale maturity and wisdom in parents, in youth, in teachers, school principals, business owners, leaders in various domains of society, government, everywhere. We have to scale the maturity and wisdom. But how do we do that? Because it's something that must happen one-on-one. We've always known that one-on-one engagement by a caring, concerned mentor, parent, teacher, doesn't matter, coach, is what brings out that capacity to draw on wisdom and to analyze and learn from experiences, to grow one's capacity to choose right, to build relationships and so on. We've always known that. Research in 1984 showed it, but the conclusion was we cannot scale it. Now we can through the same technology that's used to scale AI, agentic AI, building agents to replace human beings, first just automating tasks and then replacing human beings. That's what's happening currently. And there are certain trends in agentic AI, the kind of agents that are being built. But what's not being built are agents that help develop us, help us draw the maturity from out of us 24/7. Agents that have been programmed to understand our various domains, but they also understand to ask questions, Socrates questions. They are programmed to develop human beings, to be human friendly, to have one purpose, and that is to help you grow in your maturity and in your wisdom by asking questions, by guiding, by following up, by understanding you more and more, by remembering, by detecting patterns, by holding you accountable, by not having an ego when it comes to the conversation. Agents who will have the capacity to help you become certified in your subject matter, while they help you draw the wisdom from that in everyday interactions and engagements and relationships. One-on-one, 2 millions, impacting billions every single day. We're talking about human advancement AI, not human replacement AI. Let's give every human being out there, every single person, their own personal development partner, helping them grow their maturity and wisdom in their specific domain. All this, and I cannot say it enough, happening one-on-one, 2 millions, definitely impacting billions every single day, so that we can scale human maturity and wisdom, so that we can drive that incredible engine, steer it forward, because we've gone inward as deep as we can. Please join us on this journey.